Hi everyone, well it's time for another unboxing. Today I am going to be unboxing the MindJournal. I have a lot of plans for 2022. It's a great time to take stock about what we want to achieve, how we want to improve ourselves, and so I thought apart from the bullet journaling approach which I've been taking, I should also explore my boundaries by proactively engaging myself to think about other aspects of my life. So I've read quite a few things about the MindJournal, and so in today's unboxing I am going to have a look at what they have to offer. So it's kind of a neat packaging they've put together. I'm not sure exactly how to open this, but I think I've sort of found it. So that was pretty straightforward. There are three things in here. The journal, the check-in notepad, and the Jotter. There's nothing else in here, no stickers or anything else of that sort. So the thing about the MindJournal is this has been designed specifically for guys. So if you look at the main star of the show, it basically says this is the journal, journaling reinvented for guys. Achieve your goals, conquer your fears, and become the best version of yourself with the journal that has transformed the lives of thousands of guys. Your journey starts here. So it's 3 months of journaling, 30 life-changing exercises, 3 stages of self-discovery. So at the back it talks about the 30 life-changing exercises. The journal system of exercises will challenge the way in which you think, feel and act, guiding you towards a happier and healthier you. It also talks about the 3 stages of self-discovery, increasing in difficulty as you work through each stage. The journal will help you build a positive new habit in next to no time. It also features a signature check-in tool. Check in how you feel, set your intentions, practice guide, and plan a moment in your day that's just for you. And then become the best version of yourself with guidance and support throughout the journal. Is like nothing you've used before, so what are you waiting for? Well, all of this sounds really good. It's an A5 size kind of a book. It's got a charcoal, vegan leather kind of cover, I suppose. 110 GSM ink-proof ivory paper. So I hope this means I can also use my fountain pens on it. And it's 264 line pages, 2 ribbon markers, and you can get this at mindjournals.com if you want to buy it. So the second notebook which I got was the Jotter, which is journaling but not as you know it. The Jotter is the ultimate tool to achieve anything you put your mind to. Take your journaling to the next level. 3 months of journaling, powerful reflection sections, and a mindful check-in tool. So what it basically tells me is that through this I can build a life-changing habit. The Jotter has been designed to help you journal more easily, regularly and honestly with a structured system that actually works. Explore mindful journaling, check in with how you feel, set your intentions, practice guide and plan a moment in your day that's just for you. Set yourself up for success. So stay on track using the reflection sections to evaluate your progress, helping you to stay focused and achieve your goals. And lastly, designed with you in mind, crafted with the highest quality stationery materials. So let's see how this goes. So the last notepad which I got was what they call a check-in notepad. So clear your mind, set your goals, and structure your day with the powerful desktop tool that helps you practice self-care. So the whole idea is check in every day, make time for myself, and then accomplish goals. So this is more supposed to be like a perfect desk companion. So, you know, your morning thoughts set the tone for the whole day. That's why we created the check-in notepad. Use it as a handy desktop addition to your MindJournal or as a standalone tool to help you build healthy habits and get stuff done. A5 size, 65 pages. It's got a mood tracker, check-in tool, to-do list, and a note section. So they say that the MindJournal is more than a men's journaling brand. Since launching in 2016, MindJournal has become a global movement to help guys feel happier and healthier. So all of these three things together complete the set. So, you know, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to sort of remove the wrapping on each of these and then sort of show you what it really looks like on the inside. So you can feel this. It's definitely not a hardbound. I was hoping it might have been a hardbound, but yeah, it's definitely a soft back. It's got a pretty nice soft texture feel to it. So as we open it up, you can see that it first says this journal is private, so don't read it. If found, please return to the owner. It says you're about to embark on an incredible journey, and even though the road might get rocky and rough, the view at the end will be worth it. So a bit of an introductory note. Talks about the check-in, the program. Stage 1 is really about your health and happiness are the most important things. Don't let anything stand in their way. And then it talks a bit about like how you feel, what your goals are, and I guess the rest of the document, the rest of the book really aims to flesh out a lot of things. So there's a lot of check-in points here, a lot of note taking. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so the next one is the Jotter, which is really supposed to be all about the journaling side of things. So similar. Just trying to get the cover off. This was a lot easier to take off. So similar material, again soft cover. If you open it, it says the journal is private. Start where you are, use what you have and do what you can. So welcome to the MindJournal. Again, the check-in, the reflection sections, and then just a whole bunch of things, right? So I guess what I'll start off with is really going with this first, the first MindJournal, and then using the Jotter subsequently after I finish the 30 days. And the last one is really the check-in notepad. So let's have a look at the check-in notepad. So it's very simple. Just talks a bit about, how you're feeling, your intentions, achievements, things you're grateful for, your happy hour. So that's really it. So I guess you use one of these every day as you build out the days ahead of you. So I'm going to give this a shot, and then probably at a later time I'll release another video talking a bit about what my journey has been using the MindJournal system, and I'm definitely going to also have a look at what others have done in terms of how they've adopted this. So thank you so much for your time, and do let me know if you've used this before.